Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily fix the Snapchat support code 06 problem, so let's jump right into it. Now that problem usually occurs when you try to repeatedly log into your Snapchat account but you end up failing, so let's see how to overcome it. First you need to go to your Snapchat's app settings and clear all the data. And once you do that, try to open the application and log in normally, and that should probably fix your problem. Now if it doesn't, you can go ahead a step further and uninstall the app completely. Once you do that, go ahead and install it again. Once you install it again, go ahead and open it. And once you open it this time, probably the problem should be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just wait for 15 to 20 minutes and try to log in again, since the problem in the first place was you trying to log in too many times in a short period of time, and Snapchat just making sure that you are not somebody trying to hack the account. So make sure you know the correct password to your account. If not, go ahead and recover it and try to log in again. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.